Good morning, guys. How are you? Happy Monday, new week. Hopefully, this week is better. But I think it's gonna be like any other weeks because we have Trump speaking around 1, so most likely the market's gonna be either waiting for him or it's gonna do a crazy move when he starts speaking. I'm in Nvidia. I'm entering Nvidia 132 calls for next week. Honestly, I've only came here today to see if Nvidia was gonna hold 130 as support, and I want to play that gap that it has above. You guys have that chart on my Discord that I posted pre-market there. That's my main watch for today. I'm traveling in a few hours. I'm going to New York City, so I won't be here for the rest of the week. So for this week, I'm only doing today's stream, and then I'll be back on Monday. I don't know if Monday the market is open because Monday is Presidential's Day. Might be closed. No idea. So yeah, today I'm only looking to trade Nvidia, which I already took. Really like this Nvidia hold above 130. It's looking beautiful. Market close on the 17th, so I guess I'll see you guys on Tuesday, next Tuesday, not tomorrow, the other Tuesday. What is the target on Nvidia? The gap. I mean, the target is always your next big resistance. Always. And when you have a gap, it's the gap. So far we have the market reacting pre-market high. SPY, at least the SPY is reacted pre-market high. We have the Q holding pretty good. I guess it's Nvidia. Ground strike, beautiful, beautiful bounce. Let's see if we can break this 432 level. Oracle is looking beautiful also. Who's holding Oracle with me? It's definitely looking that it wants to go for the gap. I don't think we have any data today, right? But we do have Trump talking around 1 p.m. I bought AMD, more AMD shares today. I think it's definitely a good opportunity to keep buying shares. I think definitely AMD is oversold. It could just keep going lower, but I do like it. I think it's a good opportunity to buy AMD shares. The crown strike swing is looking beautiful too. Looking pretty good. Oh my god, last night I don't know why I couldn't fall asleep at all. I was extremely tired, but it was like 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, 3, 4, 5 in the morning, and I couldn't fall asleep. I don't know why. It's been like that for the past few days. I don't know if it's because of the different times Vegas that mess up my sleeping, my weird schedule there. I don't know, but I can't fall asleep and crazy tired. And I'm traveling again today, so I think it's gonna be worst when I came back next week. I don't know what to do. Maybe I should work out more because I'm not working out too much. I'm just playing pickleball whenever I can, but I'm not really going to the gym. I'm being lazy with my workouts. Oh, that happened to you too? Yeah, I came back from Vegas extremely tired, but I'm not able to sleep. Like if I sleep early, if I go to bed early, I wake up like at 3 in the morning, 2 in the morning, and then I'm not able to fall back to sleep. And then I come here like crazy tired, like right now. I think I fall asleep right now like at 6 in the morning. Yeah, I might try it out. Melatonin. Yeah, okay. I like this Q hold here. Pre-market hold. Oh, I don't think you guys can see QQQ. Let me see if I can change this. Okay, I like this QQQ hold here. So if QQQ can definitely hold pre-market high, we could see more upside here. Oh no, I definitely need a beauty sleep. Nvidia looking beautiful. Anyone on Nvidia? That 130 hold was clean. Let's see the Q is gonna hold here. Okay, nice bounce there. Or not. Nice bounce there. Yeah, SMCI lips are I'm up a lot on SMCI right now. What a dump there. Are we gonna hold the VWAP or not? If cannot hold the VWAP, it's done so. Okay, nice bounce out of the VWAP there. Let's see if it's really gonna hold it. Okay, good. The Q could not hold pre-market high. The Q right now is pretty choppy. The Q pretty choppy. SPY, it has a clean downtrend. No clear direction so far, especially on the Q. What a fake out there. What a fake out here and here at the view up. You have my Nvidia chart on my Discord. You have it there on my watch list, on my pre-market levels. It's posted on my Discord. Because I'm not trading futures today. I'm traveling later today, so I don't feel like my headspace is right now to trade the futures. I only came here to trade Nvidia, to be honest. So I'm not trading futures today. Another choppy morning. Oh, I hate this market, to be honest. But my Nvidia position is looking pretty good. Same thing with Oracle. Same thing with CrowdStrike. If I were trading futures, I would definitely be red, because I would have taken these fake out here, this pre-market high hold here, and then fake out, and then this VWAP hold here and fake out. Also, this is why I don't like trading too early in the morning. I like to wait at least to 9:15 or 10, because most of the time we have something like this. We don't have a clear trend, or we get fake outs. If we're patient and we wait for 30 minutes or 25 minutes after the market open, we can see what's good. If the market is going to be choppy, if we have a clear support and resistance intraday, or if we have a clear trend. Where can you watch the Trump speech? I don't know. I guess on YouTube. It's at 1 Easter time. Okay, if SPY can break the view up and use it as support, we could look for a move toward pre-market high. So far, pretty choppy, and it's rejecting the view up, so it's kind of looking like a bear flag. Okay, nice move there on the Q. What is moving the Q like that? Let's see how SPY is gonna react here to 604. That's the opening print. Nice Google hold. I think as long as the Q keeps holding the view up and it has this little uptrend, it's pretty bullish. But the market's definitely choppy. Look at that candle. That is an ugly candlestick. I wasn't here on Friday, but after this Friday daily bearish candlestick here, it's kind of difficult to know where the market's gonna go next. So far, we're looking like a bounce after a big red bearish candlestick, bearish day. So we could just had like an inside candle here, but I think it's too early to talk about that because again, we have Tron speaking at 1, so that could definitely change with whatever he's gonna sign or say today. Okay, we want to see 40604 holding here as support, and then the next one is going to be pre-market high. If you're on SPY calls, that will be your PT. If can hold then pre-market high as support, we're definitely gonna go higher. Nice. Anyone on SPY or the Q? SPY was pretty clean here on this VWAP break, and then it held that VWAP very strongly. Okay, Crown Strike. It's near pre-market high. We want to see it breaking that level so it can keep going higher. Main level to watch now is this SPY. Is it gonna reject here, or are we gonna keep going higher? And I think the next resistance, it will be 606. Yeah. Nvidia looking beautiful, is flagging at the VWAP. Google waking up. Same thing for Microsoft and Apple. So far, SPY is reacting there. What about Tesla? You have my Tesla chart also on my Discord. You have the levels there, so go to the Discord, see the levels that I talk about on the pre-market, and then see how it's reacting there. So far it's rejecting resistance, so if cannot hold resistance as support, it's bearish. Datadog is definitely looking like it wants more upside, and it has earnings coming up in like 3-4 days. We need SPY to break this level here so we can see more upside in the markets. right now, what I really like, it's Oracle is looking beautiful. D-Dog is also looking pretty good. I like how CrowdStrike is just consolidating above previous all-time high. What else? I really like Tesla above 130. I think it looks beautiful. It looks really, really bullish. Yes, it could definitely pull back, but as long as it's above 130, I would say 130, 129, 128, it's pretty bullish. The Q is looking pretty strong also. Stronger than SPY. Let's see some charts here. IWM crazy weak. Why is IWM so weak? Tesla, nice bounce, but not much to do here. If cannot hold Friday's low as support to be really bullish. Any charts you guys like today? I see people talking about Uber. Let's see what Uber is doing today. Oh yeah. But it's too late to enter Uber now. Let's see, SMCI. Who's holding SMCI lips with me? Those lips were perfect. The buy. Perfect. I bought a bunch of lips and shares. That was perfect. Affirm. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty strong. I think it's too late to buy this one. The entry was at today's low, was a perfect retest of previous high. That was the entry. Yeah. Today's low was previous all-time high retest. That was perfection. That was the entry on a firm. Look at this. You have a gap up because of earnings, and then it broke this previous all-time high resistance, and then today just retested and boom. That was the entry. Look at this bounce. That was perfect. I think right now it's too late to enter unless you see a pullback to maybe morning high, which is the same level as pre-market high, maybe, or 17.7 yesterday high, maybe. Yeah, maybe a pullback there, or to the view up. But the entry was today's low, 73. That was the entry. That was perfect. Why is Nike so low? What happened here with Nike? Made a new low, like new all-time low. That's weird. I haven't seen a new all-time low with any stocks lately. Yes, we had stocks went down and up and down and up, but I haven't seen like new low. I think the first time that I see a new low on a stock, and that is Nike. Whoa, It's weird that it's Nike. Let's see, FDX. Ooh, I like this FDX hold here. Yep. This is a nice hold. It's a break retest of 255. Looking pretty good. I'm not gonna take it because I'm traveling later today and I'm gonna be off the charts for a week, so I won't be able to watch this one. But I definitely like this one. If you guys want to trade this one, I will say a stop loss at Thursday low, and then nice Q bounce there. The Oracle exit, the gap fill. Guys, always your next big resistance. That's your exit if you're playing the upside. And your next big resistance is the gap fill. Okay, SPY looks like it's gonna break out here. Let's see if it's really gonna do it. Right now, the market's been moving very slow, which is what I don't like trading in this market. This market, it's been weird because we have like big candlestick and then we have the market moving extremely slow. With a bunch of fake outs. So with Oracle right now, watch if can hold pre-market high. And if you're not in this one, you can maybe enter here if can hold pre-market high and then play a bounce towards the gap fill. The Q is very strong today. Okay, we have Amazon alert. What's going on here? Oh yeah, 233. Amazon 233 could be a nice hold. Look at this. If you can read, this is a previous all-time high. If you can really hold here, we could see Amazon back to this high here. I like this SPY hold, but should we trust it? I don't know. I think if we had the view up kind of like near here, I will definitely be looking to take this one with futures. But I don't like how it's moving super slow. We could... I'm gonna take it with options. The 605 falls for today. If SPY can really hold here, it's gonna be beautiful. Oh, and we still have earnings this week. We have a few earnings. I don't know if any of the earnings this week are important. I know we had McDonald's today. Okay, so the market pretty much stopped moving. Oh, by the way, Apex is doing another 80% off today. And on Wednesday, I'm gonna get like 20. Yeah, I'm gonna get a few, maybe pass them. I'm gonna get 20 so I can pass them today with the rubber band setup when Trump starts speaking. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. Code, it's ADR Apex or Apex ADR, both work. Oh yeah, gonna go and buy 20 right now. 20 evals. No, it's not 7 days, it's 1 day. You can pass it in, you can, like, when they say you don't need 7 days. You can pass it in 1 day or you can pass it in 1 month. It's up to you. What size do I use? It depends what I'm doing. So to pass evals, it definitely depends on your budget. So for me, I just go all in or buy 5 contracts. I don't care if I blow up like 10, 20 evals. Because for me, it's all about getting my PA fast and not waste time. If you have a low budget, I will say just trade your eval just like a regular account. So again, it depends of your budget. No, I won't be streaming while Trump is talking because, like I said, I'm traveling today, so I'm busy. I'm gonna be very busy doing a bunch of stuff. So, and my what I do when I pass evals on like on news like FOMC or important data like FOMC, like today Trump speaking, it takes me like 5 seconds. So no, I won't be doing a stream today for that, because I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna be also finishing packing up for my trip, and I need to also work on my vlog that I film on Vegas, on my trip to Vegas. So I'm pretty busy. I still have a bunch of stuff to do. So what I do is I always pass evals and I keep it on the back end whenever I want to blow up my account or I blow up my account. So what I do is this. So I think you have 48 hours to sign your past evals, right? So I wait for those 48 hours and then I just keep it. Then I don't pay for those new evals to turn them into PA. So I just keep it then, just sign the contract and I just keep it then, because you cannot have more than 20 PAs at the same time with Apex. So you just keep it then, and what happens is if you don't turn those evals into PAs on the 30 days period, you're gonna get rebuilt as an eval. So basically, so if you buy right now 80% off a 50k account is under $35, but let's just say it's 35. So you pay those $35, you pass the eval, you sign those evals within 48 hours, and then you just keep it. Then you don't turn them into PAs. What it's gonna happen is if you don't turn those evals into PAs, you're gonna get rebuilt in a month those $35. What about keeping accounts and they give you the funded, not the PAs? I don't understand. The PAs are the funded accounts. A static account, it's exactly the same thing as the eval when it comes to how it works. When it comes to fees, when to pay the PAs, when to sign, all that is exactly the same thing no matter what account you're getting or you're using. What's the minimal amount? $200. 200. It's less than 200. You pay 35 for a eval account, and then you pass that eval, and then you pay $100 for the PA. So basically, it's $135. Yeah, if you don't pay for the PA, they're gonna rebuild you. So 35 or yeah, 35 bucks or 85, depends when you got those evals. So if you got them with the 80% off, you're getting rebuild a little bit under 35. If you got it with the 50% off, you're getting rebuild, I think it's 85 bucks or 83, don't remember. Okay, so we have here the Q at a little bit of, we can say all these, a little bit of resistance. The Q SPY so far holding the pre-market high, but it's doing nothing at all. Apple looking weak. I want to see Apple going back down to 222, 221. That could be a good entry to play a bounce there. That's also where the 200 DMA is at. Ooh, nice move there on SPY. Oh, thank you, Callum. New York City right now, it's freezing. I saw it was snowing yesterday and the day before, over the weekend. I'm getting mentally prepared for that. I love snow. The first time that I went to New York City was around this time too, and it was also snowing, and it looks so beautiful. So beautiful. Ooh, SPY calls are up already 25%. I have a cousin in New York. I'm going mainly because I haven't seen my sister in like 5 years, and she's coming to New York because she has an ice cream sandwich business back home in Venezuela, and New York has very good cookies shops. So we're going for a research. We're going to pretty much eat a lot of cookies and brownies and brookies, ice cream. So I'm gonna be filming all that, and you guys are gonna see me eating a lot. Also, Las Vegas vlog, I was watching back what I recorded, and it was all me eating. I am a pixel person. Okay, so gonna look for that. What's the name? I have a long list of places that I'm gonna go and try it out. Man, it was the first one. I only put like L in, and it was the first thing that I came up on Google. Let me see what it is. I'm staying in Brooklyn. Oh, I'm gonna be very close by that pizzeria. Nice. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna be walking. I'm kind of used to it to walk on New York. I'm gonna be walking all day. Yeah, all day, like pretty much since like I think I'm gonna get out of the house every day around 9 or 10 in the morning, and I'll be back in, I don't know, at 12 midnight. So I'll be walking all day pretty much. Okay, nice pizzeria. Probably gonna be the first thing that I try because I'm getting there today and I'll be very hungry, and it's definitely kind of close from where I'm staying. I'm staying in Brooklyn. I don't remember exactly where here in Brooklyn, but yeah. Nice. Bagels in New York. I tried a few, but I'm gonna be honest, I didn't feel like it wasn't like, oh my god, so good. It was just a bagel. Pastrami? Don't know what that is. Oh yeah, those are the famous sandwiches, right? Yeah. Yeah, most likely yes. Yeah, most likely, yes. I'm gonna try those pastrami sandwiches. Even though I'm not a big fan of pastrami, I think that is more like an American thing. I have a huge list of places that I'm gonna go eat and try it out. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time for that. Okay, so far we have SPY holding our support, holding pre-market high. The SPY calls that I took are looking pretty good. Let's see if it's gonna go to 606. The Q reacting resistance 530, but the market's not doing much. It's not really moving. Nvidia is not looking too strong, but it's still holding above 130, which is pretty bullish. Oracle, it's about to fill the entire gap. Those calls are looking beautiful. Who's in Oracle with me? Thank you to who bring that chart to us on Thursday, I think, or Wednesday. I don't know. It was last week. Yeah, I'm up a lot on SMCI. No, you cannot buy accounts as a bulk. It's annoying, I know. You gotta go one by one. That's why whenever I blow up Eval's account, I just leave it on my account and they let it like kind of rebuild me, because it's super annoying to buy one by one accounts. Earnings are not gonna change my plan on holding SMCI. When I entered SMCI, I said that this is a very like long-term hold for me. So doesn't matter what happens tomorrow, I'm still gonna hold those shares. I don't have a price target for Tesla, but look at what charts I posted on my Discord. You have there my resistance, my support. So those are the PTs that you should be looking for. Next resistance, next support. If you're playing the upside, look for the next resistance. If you're playing the downside, look for the next support. And my levels, you have it on my Discord. No, I'm not gonna do anything on SMCI. I'm not touching that. I'm just gonna keep holding my lips, gonna keep holding my shares, not doing anything. I'm not even looking at the chart, to be honest. I look at the chart today because people bring it up that it was moving pretty nice, but I don't care what it's doing. I just know that the prices that I bought, it was a steal. And I'm just gonna keep holding that. I think SMCI down move the past few months was an overreaction. And if you bought that dip, that downtrend, that move to the downside, you should be up a lot. And then what to do with those shares, it's up to you. For me, I'm gonna hold it for at least for a year or more. Also, it depends if you need that money or not. Like, I think when you're buying like lips or shares, you need to keep in mind why, like, before even buying, you need to understand what you're doing, right? Are you, like, for me, I knew I was buying because I knew it was a very good opportunity to buy that, and I don't need that money, so I'm okay holding that for longer time. So, and I knew that was my plan since day one. I don't open a new position. We just talked about SMCI. SMCI has earnings tomorrow. What do you think it's gonna be my answer to your question? Like, guys, you need to buy when at the lowest, not at the top, or when you have earnings tomorrow. Like, why do you even ask me that? For me, that means you're just chasing money. You buy at low, not at high. And yes, it can keep going higher, but it has earnings tomorrow. Buying here, it would be just a YOLO. Yeah, exactly. It's gambling. Like, I think shares and lips is all about what's your plan, right? You can buy here today with earnings tomorrow, but what's your plan? It's your plan just buying to hold forever? It's your plan to hold only through earnings? Yeah, what's your plan? That's basically my answer to your question. What's your plan? Datadog is moving, looking beautiful. Google. The thing about Google, yes, I do like this 189 hold, but I don't like swing trading when you have a gap below. And Google has a big gap around 180. So, and you have the 200 DMA near that gap. So Google is tricky. It has a big gap above, it has a big gap below. Yes, I do like this 189 hold. Would I look for a swing trade, Google? No. I don't like trading the upside when you have a big gap below. I don't like trading the downside when you have a big gap above. Google has gaps both above and below, and both are big gaps. So it's a 50-50 chance to go to either side. It's like Broadcom. Broadcom, yes, it's been on a very clean trend the past few days, but I don't like that it has gaps everywhere. Yeah, I do think that's what happened with SMCI. It was weird. That news, it was weird. It's SMCI is a huge company. Like, I don't think they'll be doing what the news was saying that they were doing with their books. So that's why pretty much I bought a bunch of shares on SMCI. Yeah, I've been buying AMD shares for, I will say, over a month. I bought more today. AMD, I also think is a very good opportunity to just buy shares and forget about it. I think it's extremely oversold. Yes, it can definitely keep going lower, but I don't think AMD should be going this low for so long. Like, I don't understand why. Yes, Nvidia is way better than AMD. It's a huge competition, but still. Tesla is holding. Tesla is doing nothing so far. It's still rejecting Friday's low. So if Tesla cannot hold Friday's low support, it's not too bullish, to be honest. And if we hold it as support, I will say it's a little bit more bullish. But look at the daily on Tesla. The daily on Tesla is pretty bearish. Yes, you can definitely bounce. We could have a bounce to the trend here. That would be nice, but I think some people just are too fixated on Tesla and Nvidia when you have so many charts that look way better than those two all the time. Yes, Nvidia looked pretty nice today, but I don't think Tesla and Nvidia are charts that I want to trade every single day. Only when just like any other chart. I don't get married to Tesla Nvidia or Tesla or Nvidia. I trade charts that look pretty good. Tesla looks like it's flagging, holding pre-market high. That's bullish, but still needs to break Friday's low. Friday's low is the level for Tesla right now. Why do I blow up PAs? Because one, after certain, like not with Apex, but with other prop firms, they're gonna pass you to a live account. I don't want to trade on a live account. It's just me. I don't want to trade on a live account. I like copy trading with a bunch of accounts. That's how I like trading. It helped me with my psychology. It's very different to trade with just one account and buying 20 contracts on one account than buying only one account with 20 accounts. Like for me, I like my copy trading with a bunch of accounts, so that's for one. Another thing is like after certain amount of profits with each account, they're gonna take a bigger portion of your profits. So I don't know, some people love the live account. I don't like it. I like copy trading with a bunch of accounts. I don't like having one account because, again, like I said, for me it's not the same thing psychologically speaking. Watching my P&L moving up and down with holding 20 contracts in just one account than holding one contract on 20 accounts. It's completely different. It's completely different when it comes to my psychology, not to the overall P&L, because that is exactly the same. And yes, I do blow up my accounts on purpose sometimes, but I do also blow up an account like any other trader. That's pretty normal. But at the end of the day, I make way more money. Like I put way more money in the bank than what I'm paying for the evals. So that's the most important thing. How much money is going in your account and out your bank account. Hey, morning. Well, the market's doing nothing, but it's holding pretty good. Support. SPY is holding pretty good support. The Q is reacting resistance. I think I'm gonna leave it here. I'm buying a bunch of Apex Evals accounts so I can play a little bit around when I won a little bit before Trump starts speaking, and I'll see if I can pass those accounts. If I blow them up, it's fine, doesn't matter. But yeah, it's starting to be super boring. Oracle is looking pretty good. It's all the gap is pretty much filled. Needs to go a little bit, like 50 cents higher to fill the gap, but that trade is beautiful. Crown strike, let's see, it's looking pretty good. I want to see it holding morning high as support, but I think as long as it keeps holding Friday's low as support, it's pretty bullish. What else? Well, send me a DM, Francisco, so I can check it out your account on my Discord. What else? Datadog is moving pretty good so far. I'm up on that one too. My PT is 152. And SMCI looking beautiful. Nvidia looking pretty good so far, as long as it keeps holding above 130. It's extremely bullish. What else I'm swinging? VST. It's not looking too good, but it's still above my stop loss. So yeah, I'm gonna leave. I have to do a bunch of stuff before my flight. And again, I won't be here, guys, for the rest of the week. I'll see you guys on next Tuesday, because I think Monday is closed because it's President's Day. But thank you so much for being here. Remember to like the video. I'll see you on the next one next week. Bye.